Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove friends on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Snapchat is a fun, engaging platform for connecting with your friends. However, there may be times when you want to declutter your friend list or remove someone you no longer wish to interact with. Luckily, unfriending or remove someone on Snapchat is a quick and easy, and you don't have to worry about any awkward confrontation as the person won't be notified. So in this video, we'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to your profile. After that, you can just scroll down on your friends. You can choose on My Friends. In here, you can choose your friend that you want to remove. For example, you want to remove this. I want to remove this. You can tap and hold on their name. After that, the pop-up option will appear on your screen like this. Now you can choose on manage friendship, and you'll find there is an option block, report, and remove friends. Because you want to remove this uh, account, your friend, from your Snapchat, you can just choose on remove friend. Are you sure you want to remove? If you're sure you want to remove, you can just tap on remove. So now you have removed that account from your friend list. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove friends on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.